Hey guys, what's up, Redactions here, and welcome back to this brand new video. For this video I would like to give a little bit more info about my kart racing, since most of you probably have no idea what you're looking at half of the time. So I feel like I owe you guys an explanation for what I do, why I do it, and what I want to do with it later. I will probably not become an F1 driver, which isn't something I want anyways, but I'll let you know what I'm doing right now, so enjoy. So the footage you're seeing on your screen right now is from me testing my Rotax 125 Max Senior Evo kart. Now in this category all drivers have the same engine package, which makes it a lot more equal than, let's say, F1. The choice for chassis is free, however, and if you've seen my last race you'll notice that I am now on a different chassis. This is because the Kart Republic chassis I was on really wasn't optimized enough for the Rotax class. The Tony Kart chassis, which is what I am on right now, is however more optimized for Rotax. Now, the Rotax Max class is relatively new in the world of karting, and that means that a lot of the younger F1 drivers have actually also competed in their national Rotax championship, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So the track we are at is Circuit Park Berchem, which is very close to my home, and coincidentally this track is also where my upcoming race will be held. So for this year I will be taking part in the Dutch Rotax Max Challenge. I have taken part in this championship across multiple classes from 2015 up until March of 2020. I sadly had to retire for about a year and a half because of the coronavirus, but last year I was able to make my comeback, and I've also made a video about that, which is the same video I have previously linked. So again, if you're curious, go to the top right hand corner right now. Now before I made YouTube F1 videos, this was what I did on YouTube. I once again put a link to a playlist of my old karting career in the top right hand corner right now. So I noticed that you guys didn't really like my previous karting videos, so I hope by doing it in this style maybe that can change it up a little bit. Still, both channels have been doing really well and you guys have been motivating me like crazy to make more and more content. So if you guys want to see more new content, keep hitting those like and subscribe buttons. For you it's only a few clicks, but for me it means so much more. By the way, we also launched a new Discord server for subscribers, which is a massive upgrade over the old server. A link to the new server is in the description down below. Or if you're lazy, once again it is in the top right hand corner as well. Now to end this video I will be showing you guys a hot lap of Berchem from my point of view. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.